Hello everyone, this is Ariba from Brand Scenario. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Oppo A11K. Let's begin unboxing the phone. Okay, let's get back to the phone. The exterior of the phone is quite smart and sleek. The device is lighter in comparison to other phones. The dimensions of the Oppo A11K are 155.9 by 75.5 by 8.3 mm. It also has a glass front, a plastic back, and a plastic frame. A pretty convenient option for those who drop their phone often. The Oppo A11K comes in two color variants, that is deep blue and flowering silver. Today, we have flowering silver with us. The phone can easily be unlocked with a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock feature within few seconds. The phone also comes with 6.2-inch display with IPS LCD with the resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels and 16:9 color to enhance your experience so you can enjoy movies, TV shows and videos on a vibrant screen anywhere you like. Another great feature of this phone is that it offers dual SIM, which means you can use two local numbers at a time. The Oppo A11K operates on an Android 9.0 and ColorOS 6.1 OS. The phone comprises of a powerful chipset, the MediaTek MT6765 Helio P35, that helps the phone function smoothly without having any issues. There is only one memory variant of this phone available, which is 32GB ROM and 2GB RAM. The memory can be expanded up to 256GB by adding an external memory card in the designated slot of the device. The device is equipped with 13MP plus 2MP AI dual rear camera, which is capable of capturing clearer and sharper images. The selfie camera of the phone comes with 5MP lens. The phone also comes with a built-in FM radio and a powerful battery, 4230 mAh battery that will last you all day long. The Oppo A11K comes with a price tag of 18,999 rupees only. If you are looking for a budget-friendly phone, then Oppo A11K is your best bet. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more tech updates, stay tuned to Brand Scenario.